Okay. So basically, I have updated our course content. So initially, we will go through organization unit and master data in maintenance plant. Okay. So basically, yesterday we have seen what is a maintenance plant and what is planning plant, right? So I will quickly take one recap for you.
Okay.
So once you go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, and in definition. Definition, logistic general. In logistic general, correct. Here you go and just click on define plan. Here you can update. Currently, we will take this 1000 plan because financial configuration is available with that 1000 plan. So this is defined for plant. Okay, I will show you. This is defined, and what is next is maintenance planning plant. So again, we need to go to enterprise structure, definition, plan maintenance, and maintenance planning plant. So here we will again use 1000. And once we create this planning plant, we need to assign that planning plant to our maintenance plant. Assign maintenance planning plant to maintenance plant. Okay. So we have assigned planning plant to maintenance plant to planning plant. You understood?
Yes.
So if you see, there is a centralized and decentralized planning. Okay. Centralized planning means one to many relationship, you can say one to many. And decentralized means one to one planning plant with one maintenance plant. Okay. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So we will start with planner group. Okay. I think I updated somewhere here planner group, but no issue. Whatever our sequence, I will update here. So I will go to you. I will show you what is planner group. Tell me, what do you know by planner group?
Electrical planner, mechanical planner,
Correct. Mechanical,
electrical, civil.
Yes. Civil. Instrument. So, do you remember what is the configuration for a planner? SPRO, SAP reference IMG, okay, plan maintenance and customer service, master data in plan maintenance customer service. Here you need to go to technical object. In technical object, general data, and define planner group. Okay. You can create and you can add. See, here you will find the planning plan, not a maintenance plan. So planner group will be related to planning plan. Okay. And these are planners available. We will just add some more entries here. So we need to get, just check what are the entry available. It should not be replicate. Okay, new entry 1000 M01. Okay, this is mechanical 1000 electrical 1000 C01 CP. Okay. I need to save it. This is transport request. Okay. Again, we need to go for work center. So I will go back. For work center, you need to go to logistic general, plant maintenance, management of technical object. You will take it die hard. Once you make the practice, you will make use of it. How you can go? It will be no need to memorize. Just make a practice like 100 times. Need to create work center. Need to create planner group. Then you will get everything via practice. Okay. Environment, work center, and create work center.
Okay.
Click for IR01. So our plant is 1000 and work center I will create mechanical 01 and category will be plant maintenance. I will enter. Yeah. Here I will mention mechanical work center. Mechanical work center. Yeah. So, okay, I will check for personal responsible. Yesterday we have created some personal responsible, but that for different plants. Okay. Yeah, and one more thing. If you no want to go via SPRO, there is some shortcut keys are there. So directly you can go there and you can create the person responsible. I will show you. If you don't remember the SPRO path, yeah, tick code nothing. There is a create option. So continue without specifying project. We will create one person responsible for our work center. Okay. So here, if you see determine person responsible, basic data. So you can go here, maintenance plan, work center task list. Okay. 39 entries are available. I will minimize it. See, system has taken you directly to the defined employee responsible for work center. If you want, you can check the path. First, go to SPRO, plant maintenance and customer service. Then, in the work center, define employee. Yeah, general data, define employee responsible for work center.
SAP PSR3. IR01. IR01. Okay.
Yeah. I will do one thing. I will not go via shortcut. I will show you the path. Just a moment. So it will be better for you. Just open the new session. Go to SPRO. Plant maintenance and customer service. Maintenance plan, work center, task list. Okay.
Work center.
Here